Yo, what's up, potatoes? Welcome to all of us on Gram. Welcome to another video. And in this video, we gonna be checking out MBC, the voice kids, and it's from the third stage, Meet and Adorn Aladdin. So they're gonna perform for the song. But before jumping in this video, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, guys. And without any further ado, let's get into this video. Oh, little girls are awesome, man. Literally, I'm like, damn, girls.
واخدنا 100 على 100 كل الدرجات النهائية خدنا سؤالين في الجغرافيا.
While watching these girls, I remember Halal Turk's songs, man. Literally, they're like, over here, I can literally hear, remember or recollect those songs by Halal Turk.
وجاوبنا عليهم بلا أين تقع في الخريطة أوروبا مين جواب تبقى على شمال كوبري القبة عايزين سؤال في صحراء مصر الغربية.
Yeah, baby.
yeah baby.
And yeah, that's all for this video, guys. I hope you all had fun watching this video. It was a tiny video, I know. I'll try to come up with longer videos, and that's all for this video. See you in the next video, and make sure to check out my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all the links in the description below. Add me on Snapchat, AALUFRY, AALUFRY, all of fry. See you in the next video, and then keep friends about it.